In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate in Excel in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a complete beginner or just need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. We'll go through a simple process that will have you comfortably using Excel for basic calculations in no time. So let's start with accessing Excel. If you don't have Excel installed on your computer, no worries. Microsoft offers a free online version of Microsoft 365, which includes Excel. Just head over to the Microsoft 365 online website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to click on Sign In. If you have an existing Microsoft account, great. If not, you can quickly set one up for free. Once you've clicked on Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you type in the email associated with your Microsoft account correctly. After entering your email, hit the Next button. You'll then be asked to enter your password. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll have access to Microsoft's suite of online apps, including Excel. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using a specific example to show you how Excel's calculation functions work. It's an excellent way to get hands-on experience, so I highly recommend following along with your version of Excel open. If you're using Microsoft's online version like us, you'll want to navigate to OneDrive, where you can access Excel documents stored in the cloud. For this demonstration, I've prepared an Excel document with some sample data. This document is already loaded up, so let's dive into the calculation part. We're going to perform a simple sum calculation, which is one of the most basic yet essential functions in Excel. To start, click on an empty cell where you want the result of the sum to appear. For our example, we'll be adding together the values in cells D2 and D3. To do this, you'll need to enter the equal sign. This tells Excel that you're about to give it a formula to calculate. After the equal sign, type sum, followed by an open parenthesis. Next, you'll enter the range of cells you want to add together. For our example, it's just two cells, D2 and D3, so you'll type D2, D3. But remember, Excel is quite flexible. So if you had a longer list of numbers, you could easily extend this range accordingly. Once you've typed in your range, close the parenthesis. Your complete formula should look like this: equal sign sum, D2, D3. After inputting your formula, press the Enter key. Excel will immediately calculate the sum of the cells you've specified and display the result in the cell where you typed your formula. And just like that, you've successfully performed a calculation in Excel. Now, while this example focused on a sum, it's important to remember that Excel's capabilities are vast. The process we went through can be applied to many other functions and formulas Excel offers, from averaging numbers to more complex financial calculations. The key is understanding the formula structure: an equal sign, followed by the function name, an open parenthesis, the range or cells you're working with, and then a close parenthesis. As you get more comfortable with Excel, you'll start to see how powerful a tool it can be for analyzing data, making budgets, and so much more. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to experiment with different types of data and formulas. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to performing basic calculations in Excel. I hope this tutorial has helped demystify the process for you and shown you just how accessible Excel can be. Thank you for watching and happy calculating.